In today's video, I am in my main bedroom doing a little organizing, a little cleaning, a little decluttering, and a little undecorating for Christmas. So stay tuned. Today's video is a January cleaning challenge hosted by my good friend Tiffany from Small Town 6. I love Tiffany's videos. I'm going to leave her link in my description box and I would love for you guys to check her out. I'm also going to link the playlist for all the other YouTube creators who participated in this challenge this month as well. Today is a snow day where I live, and so you can kind of tell that I was lying in my bed, relaxing. I went out to play in the snow, which I'm going to show some pictures of that later on. I'm starting by cleaning out the top drawer in my nightstand. It is a hot mess, so I just want to declutter and reorganize it.
Silent treatment in your cup, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard, now I'm just wondering where we are. I don't wanna face the consequences, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second guessing. I'm just wondering where we are. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and on.
I like to have only the things I use on a daily basis in my nightstand drawer. So that's what I was doing. I was getting rid of things that have just piled up and putting it all back together again.
Never coming down, never coming down. Look at me the way you do, keep giving myself into you. You know that I hate this part, surprised we ever got this far. We did go through all the circumstances, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second chances. Surprised we ever got this far. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Ooh,
So this is what the inside of my drawer looks like. You can tell I still have a lot of things from when I was sick earlier, and this stuff all needs to be thrown away or moved to another room. And now I am going to do a little dusting.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
I realize that it's snowing outside, but I am in the process of taking my bathing suits out of one of my drawers and putting some hoodies in this drawer. So it's just something I've needed to do and I put off doing, so now I'm getting that done.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
I have boxes that I keep in the top of my closet, and I keep the hoodies in them during the summer and spring, and then the fall and winter I keep my bathing suits in them. And these are 2 boxes, and I pull them down from the closet and I change them out, so that's what I'm doing right now. As soon as I get finished doing this drawer, and I'm just going to show you how it turns out, I'm probably going to make some adjustments to it because I'm not 100% in love with it. But after I finish this drawer, I'm going to take down the Christmas decorations on top of this chest of drawers. My birthday is actually mid-January, and I do leave my Christmas decorations up until after my birthday. And then I'm going to dust it, and you're going to see all kinds of glitter and stuff from where I had my Christmas decorations out.
Think we lost our star, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. Bad. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Sunny side up, try to keep it cool, bending all the rules, bending all the rules. It gets colder, but I hate being cruel. I can't be cruel to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. Bad. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. In the aftermath of us, ooh, ooh, ooh. Baby, I got no excuses. I got nothing left to say. Didn't wanna stand up useless, but in the aftermath of us, I'm so sorry about the bitter end. Bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. If I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. Don't regret that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. In the aftermath of us, ooh, ooh, ooh.
Whenever I clean a room, whether it's my primary bedroom, my living room, my kitchen, I always go either clockwise or counterclockwise, and I go in the same order every time. Am I the only person that does that, or do you guys do that as well?
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. I still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can
For each room in my house, I have a box, and in each box I store my Christmas decorations for that particular room, and I take pictures and I put it inside a little clear plastic sleeve, and I put it on the outside of the box. It makes everything so easy for the next year, and if I want to decorate just like I did the year before, I have a picture to go by.
We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. Summer love. Oh, I wish I could rewind it. Only us. Oh, I loved you when we were blinded. Now time is up, and we tried so hard to fight it, but we knew we couldn't fight it. Hurts every time you say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get some love. You and me, we kept on riding in your arms. The only place I wanna hide, yeah. I give it up. All for you, baby, keep trying, but the city's getting crowded. Hurts every time you say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get
I still have a few things that I want to do to really deep clean in my bedroom. However, it is a snow day, so I would like to go outside and spend some time in the snow. So I'm going to take you guys with me and let you look around at the snow that we had. It was very beautiful. It's actually still on the ground. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch today, and please go check out everyone else's channel. Everyone worked so hard on this cleaning challenge. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Also, please remember to like this video, give it a thumbs by giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.